Kate Blanc Cosmetics Organic Castor Oil, 2 ounces, is a 100% pure, cold-pressed, and hexane-free oil designed to promote hair, eyelash, and eyebrow growth. This versatile oil acts as a natural hair treatment and skin moisturizer, providing nourishment and hydration for healthier-looking hair and skin. Its organic formula ensures quality and effectiveness, making it a great addition to any beauty routine. Ideal for those looking to enhance their natural beauty with a clean, chemical-free product. This biotin, castor, and rosemary oil hair growth serum is formulated specifically for women seeking to combat hair loss and improve hair health. Designed to address dry, damaged hair, this all-natural treatment is rich in vitamins to promote thicker, longer, and fuller hair. Its nourishing blend helps strengthen and revitalize strands, making it ideal for those looking to achieve healthier hair with a natural, chemical-free solution. Perfect for daily use to support hair growth and repair. Mori volumizing shampoo and conditioner are designed to combat hair loss while promoting thicker, longer, and more luscious hair. Formulated with over 100 active ingredients derived from natural sources, this duo works to nourish the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and enhance volume. The shampoo and conditioner aim to restore vitality to thinning hair, making them a powerful solution for anyone seeking natural hair thickening products. Each bottle contains 8.45 fluid ounces, perfect for daily use. Moroccan oil treatment is a versatile, nourishing hair oil that enhances shine, smoothness, and manageability. Infused with antioxidant-rich argan oil and linseed, flaxseed extract, it provides deep hydration and conditioning for all hair types. This lightweight formula helps to detangle, speed up drying time, and control frizz while improving overall hair health. It can be used as a styling, finishing, or conditioning product to give your hair a silky, radiant look. Lanza Keratin Healing Hair Oil Treatment is a nourishing hair oil designed to repair and revive damaged hair. Infused with keratin protein and the Phyto-4 complex, it helps restore strength, elasticity, and shine to weakened strands. This sulfate-free formula delivers deep hydration while sealing in moisture to prevent future damage. Ideal for all hair types, it smooths frizz, enhances manageability, and adds a healthy, radiant finish. The treatment is cruelty-free, making it a great choice.